How to fix a lawn after a stump is removed. Removing a tree stump from a yard can ultimately make the lawn look better, but once it is gone, you are initially left with a medium to large-sized hole that is full of wood chips. If the wood chips remain, they will eventually rot away and leave the yard uneven. Repairing the lawn by filling in the hole and planting some grass can not only prevent this from happening, but will also help give the lawn a more uniform appearance. Things you'll need: rake, grass seed, topsoil. Use a rake to clear the wood chips from the hole and area where the stump was removed. Pick up and dispose of any remaining branches and limbs. Analyze the grass already growing around and near the stump hole. Match the grass seed to fix the lawn to the grass you are already growing. Purchase bags of topsoil from your local home improvement store to fill in the stump hole. Although it typically takes 1 to 3 bags of topsoil to fill in a stump hole, the amount of bags you need will vary depending on the size of the tree removed. Pour the bags of topsoil into the hole. The topsoil should be 1 to 2 inches higher than the ground to allow for settling when water is applied. Spread the grass seed by hand. Calculate 16 seeds per inch 2 of soil. Rake the seeds into the soil and lightly water. Keep the area watered daily until new grass becomes established and reaches about 2 inches in height.